Game 3 is called Stop-1. This 2-minute game shows 80 squares, one after the other, in either red or green. Your job is to press the spacebar as quickly as possible whenever you see a red square. This game is measuring two traits: focus and perseverance. Focus is measured by your success rate, how accurately you press the spacebar when the red square appears, and avoid pressing it when you see a green square. Perseverance is your success rate over time. Starting off strong with a fast, accurate reaction time is great, but if you can't maintain it over time, it shows a lack of commitment and sustained concentration. There are three challenges to this game. Firstly, is clicking on all the red squares. In life, from traffic lights to video games, red signifies stop, or not doing something. This means you have to actively and intentionally remind yourself to click on red. It's recommended to say this out loud at the beginning: click on red, as it allows more senses to remind you, decreasing internal confusion. The second challenge is not clicking the spacebar when you see a green square. Opposite to the first challenge, we are used to going on green, meaning we have to actively stop ourselves. As our brains might automatically trigger a click before we consciously realize what we're doing, it's advised to not have your finger on the spacebar, but rather underneath it. The additional task of raising your finger, then clicking, gives us more time to stop any automatic action. The final challenge is maintaining focus throughout the game. Reacting to 80 squares is boring, and time moves at a snail's pace. This boredom makes us lose focus and start thinking, when will this be over? God, this sucks. And as we start thinking, our automatic actions take over, like going on green, ruining our overall score. To prevent this, you can add other senses, like sound. Saying boom or red every time you click the spacebar keeps your attention and attaches an objective action to every success. Relating this to jobs, every company wants employees that are focused and persevere through challenges. So if you have a naturally high score, you're showing you can keep your attention on the task. You have a keen eye for detail and you can maintain consistent performance over time, even if the task is mundane or challenging. Fortunately, a low score doesn't mean you can't work. Focus and perseverance are skills you can develop, and this game is identifying areas for improvement for both your personal and professional growth.